Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So let's see what's there for Leos. What's on your side, Leos? Okay, so we have the Nine of Pentacles on your side. Let's see what's on your person's side. Oh, Three of Swords, the most likely outcome. Okay, oh, the Devil. Okay, so with the Nine of Pentacles on this side, there is definitely someone who is spending time alone. I see the reason when I take the clarifiers. On this side, we have the Three of Swords, so definitely somebody is heartbroken, and as the most likely outcome is the Devil. We'll see with the clarifiers what it is, but definitely there is a temptation or some sort of an addiction or something negative holding this relationship, something negative uh, for this relationship. Okay, so let's see. Why is this Nine of Pentacles here for? Okay. So for the Nine of Pentacles, we have the Hangman, the Hermit, the Five of Swords, okay, Knight of Wands, okay, the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Cups. So let's see, why is this Three of Swords here for? Oh, what a we have the Sun, the Four of Swords, the Magician, okay, the Seven of Swords, and the World. What's happening? Yes. And the Ten of Cups, okay. So let's see what is this Devil about. Why is this Devil here? So for the Devil, we have the Eight of Wands, the Ten of Wheels, the Ten of Wands, and the Judgment. The Ten of Swords, Queen of Cups, Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. Okay. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Guidance from the universe. You'll see that later. The card isn't ready to come. Anyway, so let's move. So, for the Nine of Pentacles, we have the Hangman, the Hermit, the Five of Swords, the Knight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Six of Cups. So what I feel here is, with the Five of Swords, there has been some sort of an argument or a fight or a dispute. There has been something which was not pleasant for this relationship or was not good for this relationship, and because of this fight there has been this heartache on this side, and you are spending time alone over here. And while you are spending this time alone, first of all, is because of this Five of Swords energy, the things have stopped. The relationship, the progress in the relationship, or the way it was moving ahead, perhaps has stopped. Okay, with the Hermit card over here, what I feel is you are definitely trying to sort it out, you are waiting for the person, definitely. With the Six of Cups, you are waiting for reconciliation over here. Okay, and with the Hermit, you are definitely trying to find solutions, trying to look within as to what happened, what was the issue, how could it have been avoided, something like that, and trying to perhaps uh, look for the ways as to how it can be mended. Because here, what I feel is with the Knight of Wands and the Nine of Wands, this is what I feel in the Hermit, and this is, you are just being nostalgic. You have a lot of passion definitely for this person. You want reconciliation, and you are waiting for this person, but you can't make a move. The situation is such that you can't make a move, though you really have a lot of passion for this person. Okay, with the Knight of Wands, maybe this person was in and out of your life, it can be that. Or maybe you are being nostalgic, feeling the nostalgia of the time you have spent with the person. Okay, so the problem here is with the Five of Swords, because of which there has been a break in this relationship. Okay, something has happened between both of you which has halted this relationship. Okay, you are waiting for this person, but you want them back. You are not investing, you are not coming out of though you are waiting, but you are not stepping or crossing the line to reach them. Okay, maybe you can't do that, or you don't want to do that. It can be anything. Yes, you are in touch with your intuition, things are not moving, but still you are not making a move, though you are very, very passionate. You want the reconciliation, but you want them to come, perhaps. That's what I feel, because you are not taking any action. You are very, very intuitive this time, and you are even focusing on yourself. You are trying to heal also. Okay, you are trying to heal also from this situation. And on your person's side, we have the Three of Swords, which is definitely talking about a heartbreak over here, but it can be a third party also. For some of you, it can be a love triangle, not necessarily, but can be for some of you. And for the Three of Swords, we have the Sun, the Four of Swords, the Magician, the Seven of Swords, the World, and the Ten of Cups. So here the issue is the Seven of Swords. So what I feel here is some sort of cheating, some sort of sneakiness, some sort of deception or lies was there, which is the cause of this heartbreak and the relationship, which, or the fight which has occurred between both of you, or the whatever the reason here is for the heartbreak, for the halt in the relationship, for the that the relationship is not moving forward. This reason is the Seven of Swords, and I think this was the reason for the argument also. Okay, so somebody here, it has come on this side, and the heartache is also on this side. So I don't know who was cheating on whom, but yes, one thing is for sure, that yes, whatever the cheating was going on, this person is trying to heal. This person is really, really trying hard to heal, trying to manifest. This person is trying to heal, as I said. And with the Sun card, this person, the ultimate goal for this person is, we have the Sun, the World, and the Ten of Cups. So definitely, and the Magician. So definitely three major cards over here. So this person is definitely trying hard and is not leaving any stone unturned to achieve their Ten of Cups, to achieve the happiness, to achieve entering into a new life. This person is working hard on their healing. Okay, this person has suffered the deception, or you have this person has done the deception, that I really don't know. But yes, that is for sure, that this person is really working very hard on healing themselves from this deception, whosoever has done this deception, because the ultimate goal for this person is happiness, weaving their happiness and leaving whatever the heartache was, and stepping into the new chapter of their life. So that is their main aim, that is their main goal. This person just wants to heal this heartbreak, and the cause of the heartbreak is deception. So maybe this person has suffered the deception. That's what I feel. I don't know, maybe this person has caused it, I don't know. That you will have to see. The most likely outcome is the devil. So devil, definitely the devil is talking about this only, the seven of swords energy. That's what I feel. This is the cheating and the deception, because here we have the king of wands. So somebody was in and out. Maybe that is the issue over here, that which is negative and which is jeopardizing this relationship. For the devil we have the eight of wands, the 10 of wheels, the 10 of wands, the judgment, the 10 of swords, the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Wands. So definitely, again, with the Knight of Swords, definitely there is something secretive going on. Okay, these to me it looks like going and meeting someone else, secret meetings. Okay, so there is definitely some sort of cheating and lies going on, and that is the toxicity of this relationship. Okay, this has to be corrected for this relationship to happen. Okay, and here we have the Eight of Wands. So maybe there is a communication between both of you. It can be a fiery communication, maybe an argument can be that also, because we have the devil over here. And what I feel here is, it can be a normal conversation, not necessarily an argument for all of you, but yes, there is a lot of communication coming in, things are changing. And we have the 10 of Wands, the judgment, the 10 of swords. So this situation is definitely ending. Whatever this, somebody here is taking a decision, somebody here needs to take a decision, major decision, or maybe both of you. With the 10 of swords and the 10 of wands, something is definitely ending over here, things are changing. It can be a new beginning also for some of you, because here we have the Queen of Cups and the Ace of Wands, which talks about a new beginning. So maybe for some of you, with the judgment, maybe you give it a second chance. With the 10 of Wands and the 10 of Swords, maybe both of you are ready to leave it behind. Whatever has happened. Can be that also. Or for some of you, maybe you are actually leaving the situation behind and moving towards a new beginning. It can be that also, because maybe you feel that you are done with whatever has happened over here, you don't want to deal with it anymore, and you are leaving this situation for a new beginning in your life. Okay, so for most of you, I don't know why, what I am feeling here is, for those of you who want to give it a second chance with the judgment card over here, and if you are able to reconcile with the 8 of wands after talking to this person, and because you really want this reconciliation, here there is a commitment card also with the 10 of cups and a new chapter. So if you are, and this person is also healing, so if you are ready to leave the things behind and give it a second chance, then you will have to correct whatever is hampering this relationship, the cheating and the lies which is going on, that is there. If this is not corrected, then I see the other person, one of you, whosoever it is, walking away because they feel that I'm done with this situation, I'm totally fed up, I need to focus on myself, and I really need to have a new beginning in my life. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance from the universe. Back to what you love, reevaluate your desires. Number 3 may be of some significance for you. So maybe that you want to give it a second chance. For those of you who are able to do that and work it out. For others of you, you need to realize that what you actually need in your life, what is actually your purpose of life, and what you actually want in a relationship, that is what you need to reevaluate. And once you are able to understand that, only then you will be able to find the right person for you. Okay, so Leos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.